Lee, thank you for sharing those moments with us. And as they mentioned, many attorneys say this is very rare. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Katrina Sparrow talked to a Lincoln lawyer and has her thoughts. Katrina?
That's right. Nancy Peterson is a criminal defense attorney. She says there is no way to prepare yourself for a situation like that. It's all in the
Aubrey
moment.
Trail's outburst in his murder trial has some attorneys thinking about what they would have done in that dangerous situation.
Anytime you see something that's chaotic and unusual in court, it's certainly, you need to take a minute and remember to keep yourself safe next time you're in that position. You kind of think about what you would do and how you'd get away.
Peterson remembers an incident she was involved in the courtroom. She dived over the deputy's table so they could get to the client who had acted out after a bad verdict. It's been confirmed that because of Aubrey Trail slashing his throat, he will be wearing handcuffs the rest of the trial. Peterson says this will make a big impact on the jury moving forward.
You don't want the jury to see them in shackles. I mean, that's a really bad image for a jury who's trying to decide, genuinely if the state has proven their case beyond a reasonable doubt. But to see someone in shackles sort of creates this presumption of guilt.
There is another tool that could have been decided on instead of handcuffs.
Belts that can be remotely activated to stun him if he were to act out.
Peterson also mentioned that if the outbursts continue, Trail doesn't have to be physically in the courtroom. He can be put in a different room, but it's not ideal.
You have a right to confront your accusers, a right to literally physically be in the same space with them.
As an attorney, Peterson's first priority in the courtroom is her own safety, and then seeing if the client and everyone around is okay.
And Peterson says she had a colleague who was punched in the face in the courtroom by his client. Sure shows that anything can happen.
Yeah, very true, like we saw today. Katrina Sparrow, thank you.